Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Cadence wants to say hi.
Hi.
I have a little piece of furniture that I've been wanting to spray paint and put in our half bathroom for a while now. So I just wanted to show you my process of me spray painting it, and then I'm gonna sand it probably when we come back from our trip. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my process. Okay, this is the thing. It's just a little drawer. It has a couple little wicker baskets and you just roll them in. It's white, it's old, it's used, it's kind of like an off-white now. I wanna give it a whole new life. So I'm going to spray paint it gray, and then I'm gonna sand down the edges on the wood, obviously. Kind of distress it up a little bit, and then stick it in our half bath. And we can put it like extra toilet paper or like other things, whatever, you know, a half bath requires. Okay, so one quick thing that I wanted to show you guys, I don't know, I might be really close to the camera right now, I apologize if I am. I wanted to show you one thing that I got. It's called Can Gun 1. It's by Krylon. I'm sure other places make similar things. You like pop it on here. It's been a while since I've done this, so yeah, there you go. Just popped right on and it holds it, and then you just use the handle and spray paint. You have better control, and I think it sprays more evenly because it's pressing it down. I don't know, there's something about when you press it down with your finger, sometimes you're like going too hard, or sometimes you want to barely press it and you can't. This helps. This is like a review within a DIY video. So I really like this. I swear by it. It was like $3 or something at Hobby Lobby, or $5 maybe. It was not expensive. And it's worth it. All right, so here we go. I just grabbed one can and I'm out. So I'm gonna need to go grab more. I'm gonna go get some more paint, and I'll keep going when I can. So we're back from our California trip. We went for like 4 days. We're back now. Cadence and I went and bought more spray paint. So we are going to finish spray painting the baskets. And this thing is pretty good and sprayed and it dried. I'm gonna sand that after I spray paint more of those. All right, so here we go. Guys, that's it for this video. I mean, it took me like 2 weeks. So it's done, it's completed. It's in our bathroom, in the half bath, and we are so happy that it's there. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click that notification bell because it notifies you every time I make a new video, and I make a new video every Friday. So come on back next week and we'll see you guys next Friday. Bye.